Now we will back up the calculator with the internal backup. So we will press on the memory key, which is right here. So we hit shift and then the memory key. We will go down here till we find backup. Once it's selected, okay, we'll press enter. Then we'll use the soft key new and we'll press enter. Now we'll escape out of our backup that we created. We will go to the calculator and reset. Then we will now take a look at our memory key again. We will go down till we hit backup. We will select the backup for today. So we're going to swipe the icon to begin. And we go back to our cassette and we have restored the calculator. We have launched the HP Connectivity Kit. We are not going to use the HP Connectivity Kit, but we just using it to point out some differences between backing up our calculator. The HP Prime is the emulator calculator over here. Larry is a physical calculator hooked up by USB, and Samsung is an Android Pro calculator running on a Wi-Fi network. Okay, when we're using the physical calculator and we reset it, we can use the paper clip in the back to reset it, but the screen will not clear. We can also simultaneously press the on and the symbolic key, and it will reset it again without the calculating clearing. If we press escape, app, and on, these three keys at the same time, then it will work like our emulator. It will show with the stuff being cleared out, and we will have to bring back our file to recover it. On the Samsung calculator, we must go off to the left side and slide to bring back the reset the file on it. So we have to go to the left side. The same thing would be true for an iPad, an iPhone, the iOS calculators. So those are the differences that you need to take into account. There is a second method that we can use to back up our calculator internally. If we hit the Toolbox key, then if we hit the letter B for backup, and then press enter, we come up with the backup command. Okay, the backup command, to look at how it functions, we can press the help button, and we see that we put quotes and the name of a particular file. So we will press escape. We will want to enter quotes on our calculator. The quotes, we're looking right now to see which key, because we do not use it that much, where the quotes are on the calculator. We see that the quotes are down here on the 0 key with alpha. So we press alpha and 0 to get our quotes. We will name this particular backup 2019. We will use the month and the year, or in the day. Press enter. Now, to restore the backup using this method, we will press the toolbox. We will type RES, and we will scroll until we find the word restore. We went the wrong way with our calculator. You find restore. Then if we press enter right now, it will give us all the different names that we can use. So again, we press restore. We need to put the double quotes. And we type our name 20190319. Press enter, and it cleared memory for us.